at 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a feeling. I really need a different mind now. I really need a feeling. I really need. I need to free my mind now. I really need a feeling. I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind.
Hey beauties, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Angie, and today I'm going to show you guys how to slay the easy way. Today, we are going to be doing a much needed install. So first of all, I needed a refresher. I wanted to have straight hair. I've been rocking a curly hair for a good minute. You know how you get tired of looks, so here's a fresh look. So I already showed you guys. Faba is the sponsor for today, and they sent me this unit. It's 24 inches, it's body wave, and the lace is like literally non-existing. Okay, so I've already bleached the nuts. I've already showed you guys that process. Take a look at this part of the video. All right, you guys, y'all see the beginning, and so now I'm about to go ahead and get started. So I stood up so I can look in the mirror. But yeah, I just felt like where I was in my life, it was not where I necessarily like belong, and that's why I moved years ago to Los Angeles, California, because I just felt like I felt like I needed to experience more out of life than what life was giving me back in my hometown. And I feel like a lot of times we don't take that serious. And a lot of times people get obsessed with moving because they feel like, oh, I can't fulfill my purpose because, you know, I live, you know, where you live at. And that's not true. But I just feel like my calling was beyond the community I lived in, the walls that I resided in. I felt like my calling was beyond that. And it's like, it almost takes you losing like certain relationships that you depended on or very much invested in. They just faded away, or you being without certain things to feel like something needs to change. I don't know. It's like it almost takes pain and suffering to discover purpose and, you know, your path, right? And I felt like I've always lived kind of like a life like that, like where there would be a lot of suffering or a lot of like turmoil or some type of test, right? And I feel like I was always in some type of battlefield all the time. And then it's like, but the rewards that I do receive may not present themselves in that season. It may be like in the coming season or at some point in time, sometimes years later, and the rewards will come. But then I realized that like there are times where I felt like, why me? You know, like why does my pain and suffering has to be so intense in order for me to get a little bit of something like the worthwhile, if that make any sense. So now that I have my glue down, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my unit down where I want it. Now, I try to keep all the loose hairs out the way. And I make sure I don't have it too low. That's like, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of press it out some more. So I'm just gonna press, work through this. So I'm gonna take my blow dryer and actually blow dry this. argan hair oil. And I'm just gonna spray the top of this. Not too heavy though. Okay, so here's the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off so we can truly see what's happening. But I'm already in love thus far. Melted. Melted. Oh, I'm in love. And I love the comb. Oh my gosh, the comb makes me feel so secure. I already adjusted the elastic band. Okay. Now, as y'all can see, it is melted, okay? Melted. So, I'm gonna take this. I got a hair clip. And clip. We got everything out the way. Yeah, I needed this. Look, I needed a refresher. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut like that. And I'm gonna tuck the hair behind the ear. I'm gonna pull some of this out. And I'm just going to... Okay, so I have finished doing my hair and now I'm about to take the strap off. I am feeling the straight hair. I just basically took the flat iron. Let me show y'all. I basically took the flat iron and I bumped my ends just a little bit. Like I want the bone straight look. So I'm just going all the way down. And I'm just like curling my ends. Just a little curl, that's all. Like a, I don't know, it's kind of like a little. Okay, so I pretty much just bumped the ends. Let's go ahead and take, this hair is fire, look. Hair is bomb. It's giving summer bae, okay? Like, hold on. Let me go ahead and just a light little wisp. Nothing too crazy. Just so that my edges don't look like crunchy. I don't want them to look crunchy or hard. I want them to have that like soft. Like this is my hair. What are you talking about? That's what I want. Effortless. I didn't even pluck the hairline. Now I usually pluck the hairline. I did not need to. This unit came ready, okay? Fire. And just imagine some layers in this. Bomb. This hair is everything. And I've just been spraying my hair oil on it to get like that anti-frizz. Take my pressing comb one more time and just kind of go right there. All the way around. And then we're done. We're done, baby. Look. It's giving Kim Kardashian. It's giving Kim K. I'm just gonna run this right through here. Right there. Just to make sure the part is defined. Boom. Lace. What lace? Bone straight. Let me just pass through this one more time. There we have it. Hair gorgeous. Look at the quality. So soft, so full. The hair is not too silky where it doesn't feel like real hair. Hence, if someone touched it, they're gonna be like, okay, girl, your hair is good. What's your hair growth regimen? Oh, girl. This nice unit from Faba. F-A-B-A is the brand. Look at my edges. Natural. Hair is gorgeous. Like, I could play this all day, but I'm not. I'm gonna let y'all go and go purchase this. The links will be below. I'm gonna let y'all go and get y'all hair for y'all birthday. This is giving birthday hair. It's giving summer. This is giving all that. Bomb. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Click the links below and make sure you shop Faba hair, and make sure you leave a comment and let me know, where would you wear this hair? It's super pretty. Like, I even can layer this. This is so pretty. All right, you guys, links will be below, and thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see y'all in the next video.